guys, it's Lexi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and smash that like button. Guys, I am finally doing a video. I know I haven't been posting much at all, but I don't know, college has been crazy. I'm starting nursing school in July, so hopefully everything goes well and as planned. I kind of forgot how to film and like do makeup because I have not been doing makeup at all. So I'm gonna go to a concert today. I'm gonna see Jesse McCartney and Waka Flocka Flame. So this is supposed to be more of a Smokey Auburn type of makeup look. I used some reds in my eyeshadow, but it turned out to be brown, I guess, so I mean, I tried, right? But yeah, this is more of a smoky, sultry look, so yeah, I don't know. I might change the lipstick because I think it's a little bit too dark. I don't know. I just want to give a quick little shout out. I do not know how to pronounce the name. I've been calling it Shein, but I heard other YouTubers call it Shein, so I'm not really sure, so I'm just gonna call it Shein. They sent me this really cute shirt. It has like a little flap right here, and it's really soft. Oh my gosh, like usually when I get their clothes, it's a little bit of a cheaper material because the prices on their clothes are just, they're amazing. This shirt is very comfortable and it does not feel cheap at all. I am seriously in love with it. Looks like this. I will have the link down below and everything like that, so you can go check them out. Their prices are insane for really nice looking clothes. So guys, I'm gonna go to this concert right now. I hope you guys love this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Hopefully I will be doing more videos soon. I just need to get out of college and all that. I've been kind of on the down low recently. I just haven't been really excited about social media as much as I was. So I'm finally going to shut up and start the video so you guys can watch it. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.
Start on a second, found a way to let you in. Start on a feel again, oh, your love. So many lies just come and go, break my heart, but not my soul. I fell hard, but when it's wrong, I move on. All the time I spent with you, all the things that we've been through, I trust on the line, but only chasing time. It's what you do to me. It's what you do to me. So say you love me. Isn't deeper than the sea. What you do to me. It's what you do to me. Could it really be that you're the one for me? It's what you do. What am I supposed to do when all else fails? Didn't think it'd be this hard before. Now all we ever do is argue. You must know I'm around when you're down. Give him this love one more try. All the time I spent with you, all the things that we've been through, trust on the line, but only chasing time. It's what you do to me. It's what you do to me. So say you love me. Isn't deeper than the sea. What you do to me. You're the one for me. It's what you do to me.
She ain't like most girls, she a different type. Cut from a different cloth, she just living life. I just kept it so real with her. Other dudes couldn't even deal with her, and now I can't deny the feeling that she bring. I make the beat, baby girl, you just gotta sing. I know you feel it in your soul right now. Gets messy, but that's the goal right now. When you probably won't get it, so forget it. You only got one life, gonna live it. Yeah. Gonna live it. What you do to me, girl? What you do to me, girl? Is
what you do to me. It's what you do to me. So say you love me. Isn't deeper than I see. What you do to me. for me. It's what you do to me.